and also what do we do with fractional measurements, okay? So grab loose leaf. As you can tell, we've kind of wandered off of the booklet. For this unit in particular, the book is not good at all. But I was ordering in the summer months, and so I didn't know what COVID was gonna do to us in terms of having everything ready to go. So I just went ahead and ordered it anyways, the book, and we will refer to it a bit as well. Okay, so get your notes started here. It says adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing fractional measurements in the imperial system. So we're going to get it started today so that we can you can start thinking about this, okay? And I will have some more ACs like today, converting, right? Finding areas, all that stuff. Also review working backwards. You should have those formulas on your study sheet. It is common for the length of an object to be stated using more than one unit. And this is true for the imperial system. Okay. Example, right? 7 feet and 3 inches, right? This is in feet, and this is in inches. Okay. And the key here is to know that, right? You need to convert these into the smallest unit. So out of feet and inches, inches is the smallest. You want to have everything in inches. If they have yards and feet, then you're going to have to convert everything to feet. Right? So here's where it's going to go a little different. Okay? Feet, convert. Yeah, convert. I'm going to zoom in a bit. So when you have this, and we already had a few examples, right? Like different units, convert them all into the same, into the lowest unit. Okay? So in this case, we would say 7 feet 3 inches would be the same as, watch how I'm going to do this, 7 feet times something plus the 3 inches. And this, what I'm going to do here is true for all conversions. It always works. Okay. This is feet. You want feet to show up at the bottom here so you can cancel out the units involving feet. So we know that 1 foot has 12 inches. Okay. So what you do in this case is when feet is up here, you want feet down here as well, so you can do this, cancel out the units. Okay, and so what you're left with is 7 times 12 divided by 1. In this case, it's just 1, so we won't bother. And then you're going to add the 3 inches that you had up here, right, or over here. So you're converting the feet to inches and then adding it to the other inches that were already there. So I'll make a little note. Right, this one and this one should have same units. So you can cancel out. Cancel out. Right? That's why we do that. And if you take science, you will probably do some converting there as well, and you will use this method as well. So where did I get the 1 foot 12 inches? This is something that is stated in your formula sheet, right? Like you know that 1 foot has 12 inches. Like that's a fact. But where you put them always depends on what you start with. Okay? The 1 foot could be up top if inches is up here. You will see as we do examples, okay? So 7 times 12, you get 84 plus the 3, and that is 87 inches. So 85 yards and 7 feet. When you have something like that, you don't want yards and feet. You want everything in the smallest possible unit. So yards and feet is smaller, right? So you'll do this. Take the yards, put a dot, that's multiplication for us, a little fraction, and let's convert it first. Yards, and you want to get it to feet, right? Well, you know that if you look on your study sheet, 1 yard has 3 feet, right? So where will you put the 1 yard? You'll put it down here so that you can cancel these out, and this will be 3 feet up here. And so you can cancel that and cancel that. And so really, you'll have to just go 85 times 3, and then you'll end up with feet, because feet is the only unit that's left. And we're going to add the 7 that we had here. No need to convert that because it's already in feet. So you go 85 times 3, which is 255 feet, right? Plus the 7. And that's 262 feet. And you're done. Okay. I think I'm going to leave it at that. We're going to continue where we left off right here. Okay. So don't misplace this. We're going to keep going tomorrow.